Well, girls, our journey begins.
At last! We're flying to St. Petersburg! I can't wait to see the canals.
Seatbelts fastened?
Yes!
Everything is ready. Our adventure starts now.
I still can't believe we're flying to St. Petersburg. I'm so excited! Look at the airplane!
Come on, girls. Let's go.
Wow, it's even bigger than I imagined. Are we really going on that airplane?
Yes, girls. Our adventure begins now.
I can't wait to see St. Petersburg! Me too. This is going to be amazing. Look! The rivers are getting smaller. Everything looks tiny from up here.
We're officially on our journey now.
It finally feels real. Nevosobit, here we come!
And this is only the beginning.
Wow, this airport is huge! Look at all those airplanes outside.
Welcome to Novosibirsk, girls.
Everything feels so different already. I want to explore every corner of this airport.
We have plenty of adventures ahead of us.
I can't stop looking around.
Then let's enjoy every moment of our journey.
Soon we'll finally see St. Petersburg. I want to see the canals and the famous buildings.
We still have a little more traveling to do.
It already feels like a real adventure. I'm going to remember every moment.
Then let's take a photo before our next flight.
Great idea! Smile, everyone!
St. Petersburg, here we come.
Is that our airplane?
Yes, that's the one taking us to St. Petersburg.
It feels like we're getting closer and closer. I can't believe we're almost there.
Just one more flight.
I wonder what we'll see first when we arrive. I want to look out the window the whole way.
That's our flight. Let's get ready.
Here we go! St. Petersburg, we're coming! This is our last flight. Then St. Petersburg is really close now.
Yes, we'll be there very soon.
The clouds like a giant white ocean. I could watch this view forever.
It's a moment worth remembering.
Look, I can see land below. And rivers too.
We're approaching St. Petersburg.
We finally made it.
Our adventure is about to begin.
We really arrived.
Yes, welcome to St. Petersburg.
Everything looks so big here.
Stay close, girls. Now we'll get our luggage.
Look, I see our suitcases. The pink one and the silver ones.
Good. We have everything.
Now we can see the city. Let's go. We finally arrived. This is St. Petersburg.
Welcome, girls. Our taxi is here.
The city is beautiful. Look at all the buildings. Look at the canal.
This is only the beginning. We finally made it.
It feels so different from home. It already feels special. Look at the canal. It's beautiful. This is the beginning of our adventure.
Welcome to St. Petersburg. Today, we'll finally explore the city center.
I've been waiting for this day. Let's see how much we can discover.
So where should we go first today?
I want to see the old bridges and the small streets. I found a few interesting places on the map. We can connect them into one route.
Good. Let's not rush. We'll explore step by step. We should treat this as a central point. From here, we can branch into the main cultural routes.
So this is the reference axis of the city layout. Everything spreads from here. That means our next movement should prioritize direction, not distance. Standing here, you can really understand the scale of this place. Each building has its own presence. Nothing competes with the others. I like how the whole square feels open, yet every landmark stands on its own.
That's what makes Palace Square so memorable. The closer you look, the more detail begins to appear. Every ornament feels carefully placed. The scale is impressive, yet the craftsmanship is incredibly delicate. That's why this building never feels overwhelming. I like that this city doesn't rush you.
It makes you slow down and notice the little things. Every street feels like another chapter.
And we're only at the beginning. This place doesn't ask for attention. It already has it.
The closer you get, the more carefully it's built.
It's surprisingly quiet, even with so many people. Some buildings are remembered long after you've left them.
Every detail seems to have been made with incredible patience. The closer you look, the more stories appear. It doesn't feel overwhelming. It feels alive. That's what great architecture does. It keeps revealing itself. Today felt longer than a day. In a good way. I think I'll remember this more than the photos.
It's strange. Everything here feels familiar already.
That means the city has started speaking to us. We didn't just see the city. We lived inside its rhythm. It feels like it will stay with us longer than the trip itself. I don't want to rush leaving tomorrow. Then we won't. We'll let today end on its own. Where should we go first? Maybe along the canal? I want to see where all the bridges connect. The canals really connect everything. It looks like a living map. Let's decide our route. So we start from here. Let's go that way. That leads to the bridges. Then it's decided. Wow, everything feels alive here. It's like the city is breathing. Let's not miss anything. Look at that boat. It's so close to the street. Everything connects through water here. We should follow the canal route. I didn't expect the city to feel like this. It's more connected than it looks. Let's see where it leads. I want to see everything today. Then let's not stop. This is just the beginning. There are so many canals crossing here. It feels like a puzzle. That's why they call it 7 bridges. It's beautiful. But where should we go next? Let's go that way. I think it leads to something interesting. You always notice the best directions. It feels like the whole city is connected here. Then we're already inside it. These stone monuments are amazing. They've guarded this bridge for many years. They make the bridge feel special. I wonder how many people have crossed here. Probably millions over the years. Everything feels so peaceful. I could stay here all evening. Let's keep discovering the city. This bridge feels amazing already. Every bridge here feels different. It feels very peaceful. Look at all these details. It feels like history is everywhere here. Yes, it is. I want to see more of this city. This park feels so alive. It feels peaceful here. I like this silence. I don't want this walk to end. This is my favorite moment of the day. Just being here is enough.
I'll remember this place.
Wait, something is hidden in the wall here. I think I see it. It's so tiny. It's like a secret of the city. This city hides magic in small things. So this is how the whole city looks from above. It feels endless, like the city never stops.
We've walked through its streets, and now we see its heart.
I don't want to forget this view.
It's coming from the right side! It's right in front of us! The whole city is watching it! It's passing through the bridge! It's moving into the distance, like a dream fading into light. I didn't expect it to feel this grand.
It already feels unforgettable.
Let's take our time. I want to see every little detail. Seen anything like this. Every detail feels carefully created.
It feels peaceful here. Let's remember this moment.
The whole city stretches forever.
I never imagined the view would be this beautiful.
It feels like we're standing above the city. I'll never forget this view.
It looks even larger from here. Pictures never show the real scale. Every detail feels carefully made. You can almost feel the history here. Let's remember this place together. I don't think I'll forget it. It feels so calm here. The whole city slows down in places like this. Let's just walk a little longer. The flowers are beautiful here. I like how quiet it feels. Let's stop a little. We walked a lot today. It feels nice to just sit here. I don't want this day to end yet. It feels so different here, like another side of the same city. The city keeps changing, but it still feels calm. I like how much space there is here, and the water makes everything feel lighter. Let's sit here for a moment. Yes, this is a good place to breathe.
The river feels different at sunset, like it's breathing.
I didn't expect it to feel this calm here. It's like the city is saying goodbye in a soft way.
Or maybe it's just beginning. Let's not rush this moment.
Yes, let it stay a little longer.
Tea always tastes better after a long day.
Today felt like a dream we actually walked through. I still can't believe how much we saw. That moment by the river was my favorite. I think I laughed the most there.
Then it was a perfect day.
We should do this again. We should do this again. Tomorrow?
Let's like city is speaking Cubitus.
And I don't want it to stop.
That's why we remember moments like this. It feels like the city begins right here.
Even the walls seem to remember.
Let's walk closer. The gold catches every ray of light.
It feels solemn without being cold.
Some places make you lower your voice.
It is hard to imagine what the ship witnessed. History suddenly feels very close. Closer than it did in books.
The river makes the whole city feel wider. And every bank opens another view.
Let's stay for one more minute.
These streets feel like pages from different centuries. And people still live inside the history.
That is what makes it real.
I did not expect it to feel this grand. Even the facade has its own rhythm.
Let's take it in before we go inside.
The room almost glows from within. It is warmer than gold. And more delicate than I imagined.
After all that splendor, the park feels endless.
Every path changes the view. Let's follow this one.
So much history can fit inside one small object.
And every detail was made by hand.
That is why it feels alive.
This palace feels like a world of its own.
The theater makes the past feel alive. And every hall keeps another story. Look at that fountain! And all these flowers!
Let's take our time.
The canal reaches all the way to the sea! Everything is sparkling. Let's keep walking.
Look, is that a fountain? It looks like a little bench.
Careful, it's spurs! I can see a monument ahead. This avenue feels like a green tunnel.
And there is the Gulf of Finland.
It looks endless from here. And the breeze feels so fresh.
Let's remember this peaceful moment.
How are these two magnets different? One will make your suitcase heavier.
Then the little ship is coming home with us.
The Neva looks different every time. Maybe we are the ones who changed. Then the city gave us more than views. It's even more beautiful than I imagined. For a moment, the river has its own gates.
And tonight, they're opening for us.
The ribbon's moving. It's showing us the way home. We're flying over the whole city. We're home.
Before we start packing, there's one last surprise.
I've been wondering about it all night.
Let's see what it was carrying.
A really golden ship. It's beautiful. And the rest reminiscent of the White Knight. Not yet. We can do this.
There, we can keep them all together. 1, 2, 3! In our memories. Goodbye, Peterburg.
Not forever. We'll come back.